In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP automation with Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find, install, and start setting up the VLOOKUP AutoLink app so you can automatically connect items across multiple boards. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're on any board where you want to use this automation. At the very top of your screen, look for the Marketplace icon. This is usually found in the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click on that Marketplace icon. The Marketplace is where you can find and install apps that extend the functionality of your Monday.com workspace, and VLOOKUP automation is one of those apps. Once the Marketplace window opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into the search field and type in VLOOKUP on all one word, then press enter or wait for the results to load. The search results will display all apps related to that term. From the list of results, look for the app called VLOOKUP AutoLink item to multiple boards. This is the specific app that allows you to automatically link items based on matching values, similar to a spreadsheet VLOOKUP, but directly inside Monday.com. Click on that app to open its detailed listing page. On this page, you can scroll to read more about what it does, view screenshots, and check any usage notes or pricing information if applicable. Taking a moment to review this can help you understand how it will fit into your workflows. When you're ready to add it to your account, find the button that says Install App and click on it. This will start the installation process. Depending on your account permissions, you may need admin access to install apps, so if you don't see the option, you might need to contact your workspace admin. After clicking Install, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts may include granting the app permission to access certain boards, confirming your workspace, and choosing where the app will be available. Read each screen carefully and continue through the steps until the installation is complete. Once everything is installed, you'll be able to start configuring your VLOOKUP automations inside Monday.com, using the app to automatically connect items across different boards based on matching data. This will help keep your information consistent and save you from a lot of manual updates.